Today, what day is it? What day?
30th.
Today's the 30th of July 2013 and we're going to furminate Smokey.
So Mercedes, that you're gonna... No, you don't press that!
You just comb him like normal.
Stay.
This is so bad apparently, you know, cats don't like it.
I know. Yeah, I know, he looks like he's in pain, doesn't he? Little bugger. Let's get this bit out.
You know you use that thing?
Let's put it all in one place.
Show it to the camera.
Take one.
Come on, baby. Do you want me to record it for you?
I wonder how long you have to do it for.
I'll tell him a thing.
Oh, sorry, baby.
I can't wait to use his belly. No, well that's a shock. You can make a scarf.
He's not even bothered. Look, it must feel nice. Are you having a turn?
Get him.
Stay. Boo child.
Look at all that fur.
Here you dingbat. I thought he's got them.
Excuse me, we're trying to record.
That's 26. I don't know.
Go knock on the door first today, Mercedes.
Do you want me to knock on the door first?
Hey, is that nice? You like when Nana does it, don't you? Wow, look at all that. Ew.
You have to turn him over.
Hey. We want to do...
Farry, go get it, you dingbat.
I'm not a dingbat. So you recording now?
Put him on his back. Oh, can you get that out?
He's not being buff. Let's make a scarf out of the extra fur.
Look at him. He's too laid back. Look at his face. And this is meant to harm cats. He don't even look bothered. If anything, he's dozing off.
Farry, here, do it.
Okay.
He's mega lazy, isn't he?
Ew.
Why don't you just get on to see him? Listen,
Any time someone knocks on, that's a neighbour to do it.
does it look that bad round here?
Oh, this. It looks like candy floss. Look at it. Oh,
Look at him. Have you got him in?
From him.
It's gone wonky. Are you enjoying that, baby?
Look at him.
And,
This is on our ragdoll cat called Smokey.
it must feel nice.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a go after?
I'll do his tail.
Alright.
No. Smokey.
He looks like he's dozing off.
No, but it feels nice.
Nice. Look at that.
Use it on my hair, yeah. Oh no, I don't want my hair coming out more.
Let's cover your wee wee hole.
Looking.
Let's cover your wee wee hole.
I must go put noodle I'm jarving.
We put enough water in so I can have a cup of tea.
Look, he wants me to do his leg. Oh. No. You don't want that doing.
Look at all that.
We should
It looks like candy floss.
we should have kept the fur.
Well, it's all about. Can I do his tail now?
Yeah, hang on a second. Get off me, you stupid ant. A minute. Get. A minute. There's an ant on me.
Smoky Boo Boo Cha.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Oh, but they were talking in it. Do you wanna hold him on your knee next and do it?
No, just hold his tail.
But I can't film though.
Yeah, just
oh,
film.
right.
Oh, his tail's knotty.
Have you heard him meowing?
Sorry, baby, but it needs to be done.
Try the other way.
Sorry, baby.
You're not hurting him. He's just being spoiled. Look at him, mummy.
Baby. Oh. I don't think he likes it.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's
Oh, look, he
alright.
must... Look how much is coming out still. How long are you meant to do it for? Like an hour or?
Two.
Well, I bet it'd all come out.
I know, if you did it for ages.
Look at that.
Oh, it's his baby fur. Look at him, he likes it. It's alright. Can you film this time, please?
Huh?
Can you film?
I'm not bloody going out. Stop it now. Where is it? Oh.
No, don't stop it.
Now since him stopping her. This is what you get when you don't clean you don't thingy. Alright, Dylan.
He don't like his tail doing though.
Don't he?
No.
It's alright.
Let's do here. Like.
Okay, do something because it's blowing.
Alright.
Do it underneath his neck.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
Throw it, put him down and let her do under his neck. Let it down, Dylan.
Luffy.
Sorry, baby.
Lift his chin up. That's it.
Look, he likes that.
You're getting defurminated.
Defluffed.
Sorry, babes.
You know that ball of fur under the car looks like? It looks like, you know, in those Texas places.
We'd be here all day. Are you mainly meant to stop then?
Well, you got to do all his body.
Well, we're trying to. Oh,
Don't do his
Oh.
paws. His paws are fine. They're still there.
He's so lazy, man.
but that feels enough. Oh,
Hey!
sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Do you want to hold him this time and I'll do it?
I suppose. Do I have to hold?
Hold him.
Oh, dear.
Look at Smoking Bambucha! Baby. Baby. Isn't that nice? Maybe you come there.
Yeah, do
Hold his paws.
It hurts when it scratches you.
A bit mangy.
Yeah.
You've got to get combed.
Do your tail. Do your tail.
See? It's getting pampered.
I'll tickle him to keep him content.
We can brush him with a normal brush. It's not brushing anymore.
Because it's clogged.
Let's do the back. Let's do the back. Is that nice?
Smoky Boo Boo Chow.
It's worth the money.
25 quid. Was it 25 quid?
No.
How much?
It's going, it's going. You feel much better now.
Get all the fur balls out, baby.
So just think, oh, that would have ended up on our clothes.
Mm.
Blah de blah de blah. But look, when you still hold him, still.
That's what's coming out. Gonna do his tummy.
Hey.
Yes.
Turn over for mummy. Turn over. That's a good
Because what's all that fluff flying about? It's candy floss.
I know.
That's a good boy.
Some idiots thinking it's no cotton.
And then they eat it. What are you
Open his legs and do it between his leggy legs.
I'll just
Then he's doing like.
yeah, here.
Go
I'm
on.
shutting my eyes in case he wants to claw out my eye.
Come on.
Alright, we won't do. We need to cut that off.
I know, have you seen that?
Hey.
Why are you being like that?
Oh, you went under there to it. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Do your foot. Do your foot. And then you over. It's alright.
Don't
Do
do
you
his
want to
foot.
go, Mum?
No, we'll do my pot noodle.
I've had enough now. I want my brewing cup of tea. I mean, brewing my buns.
What buns?
Sorry.
What I made?
The none there.
In there?
Like.
Well, you two are eating them. Babes, look at my leggings.